Hello guys, today we learn how to make inner join in SQL Server Reporting Services SSRS. To implement this, we have required SQL Server 2012, SSDT tool install for SSRS and Visual Studio 2015. You can also use higher version. Now for making the join, like we have a two table like product detail and category. Now let us see. Open SQL Server. Now connect local systems and go to database. I have database test. Now click on new. So I have two tables. Let us see. First one is product detail. Select star from product details, and other one is product category. Now see product category, and now click on execute. So here you can see that there is category ID and category name. uh, in this product table there is category ID, product name, unit price and quantity. So we need only category name and product name, so only you make join like this. Select from product detail LIC in a join product category LIC B on category ID equal to B dot category ID, and we put order by B dot category name. What we will need only B dot category name and A dot product name. Now select this query and then run this. So after executing, you can see that category name and product name. So we require the output in this result. So let us see how can we implement. Now open Visual Studio and go to File, New, Project. Then here you can select Reporting Services, then Report Server Project. After that you can put the name like Join in SSRS. Now click on OK button. After clicking, you can see there you will get three folders: share data set and reports. Now first we need to create data source, means need to connect to SQL server. So click add new item, then data source select, now add. After that you can see data source 1. Now need here connection string, need to click edits. Now put here your server name. In my case server name is my computer name. So copy this and paste. According to your system, you can put your SQL Server database or your server name so that it can be connected. After that, we take Windows authentication, and after need to select test dataset database and click on OK. So again click on OK. So here you can see the data source will be created. After that, we need to second step create dataset, new item, then dataset and click on add button. In dataset you can see already data source will be there, and when you go for also you can write here query whatever you have made, and also you can go to query designers. After query designers you may select from tables here like we need product and it. And also we need to like cross join, so here category ID select and category ID and map this. So here you can see inner join will be created and all the fields will also be displayed, and based upon the product category ID and product category ID we will inner join. Also you make them what you will need, like in select you can define like category ID and product name. You can remove all the things, category name and then product name, and after that you can run this. So here you can see the result in panel like this one, category name, product name, and now click on OK button. Same query whatever you have made you can also put here. Now click on OK. So shared data set will be created. After a third step is need to create a report. So go to new item and report and click on add. So here you can see report will be created and it is in design form. So need to go where tools box and then we need to select tables. After selecting the tables, here you see data source, select the data source and whatever fields will be displayed here you can see, and then click on OK button. So table will be designed on this report. Then after that we need to go to report tool. In report tool we will get two field name like category name and product name. So you can drag and drop here, and one column no need, so you can delete this column. Now click on preview. So here you can see that your report will be created. Also need to some formatting so it will show in good manners. So you can increase the size, product name and category name, and also you can bold these ones. And again go to preview. So clearly you can see this like category name and product name are displaying. Also there are more pages. So here you can see 4 to 5, 5 to 6. All product with category will showing like office supplies, postage stamp, other steps. So in 6 pages you can see like pets, car, litter and snacks, nuts, seeds, dry fruit. Here you can see this. So this way we can use the inner join in SSRS.
Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.